you know, the most valuable asset for any human being, the most valuable asset for any person is time. Time. Remember this one. Okay, the most valuable asset. So, but very unfortunate, we are not utilizing that time properly. We are wasting our time. Okay, for doing small activities. Remember this one, for doing small activities. Okay, so we are trying to do everything on our own. Okay, we never going to worry about, there are billions of people are outside to provide support for us. Okay, to help for us. So to save our energy, to save our time, there are several right who's are there. If we delegate our activity to them, happily they can do in their best way. Okay, such type of wonderful things I learned from Hunatau series, friends. The first series, beautiful series. Okay, do you know? Next, it is telling there are some mantras. Okay, so right who is the shortcut for your success. Okay, if you identify a right person, he the shortcut for your success. Okay, like right who is the shortcut. Next, so anything happen in our life, okay, getting the job or getting engineering seat or MCA seat or other, anything happen in our life because of some person only. Okay, behave properly with the people, identify right who's, utilize right who's for your activities. If you are getting some free time, you can concentrate on bigger activities. Exponential growth by default will be there. Wow, beautiful. Next, how to build ecosystems. How to build ecosystem. Without our present, our activity should run automatically. Our business should run automatically. Yes. So those kind of things, yes, I explained very well in the Who Not How series, friends. Okay, I took one Ravi case study. Okay, he's a very, he's a trainer. Ravi is a trainer like me. He want to publish his course. Okay, video course. His days are gone, weeks are going on, months are going on, years are going on, but he's not in a position to publish his course. But so from that day onwards, n number of transformations are happened with that Ravi. Sir, almost around 25 sessions I took. Next, after, so all these sessions, what is the Ravi scenario here? Ravi enjoying in Bangkok. Okay, his business is happening very smoothly, very smoothly. Next, in that ecosystem, automatic growth is also there. Decision making is there. Okay, danger alarms are there. Something like such type of ecosystems he built, and then he's enjoying his life in Bangkok. Beautiful concept. Really, my life got changed like anything. My way of thinking got changed like anything. The way of doing the things got changed anything. So, if you are getting the chance, okay, just refer Who Not How series. Of course, in DURGASOFT.online.com videos are there. Or otherwise, if you are unable to attend or unable to spend some time with like the sessions, Who Not How book is also there. Better to buy and better to read. Really, friends, believe me, that series is going to change my life.